made muffin last time. I'm not sure if you remember, but for those of you who didn't check it out, we are suggesting that you should check it out.
What was just said? You told me.
Suggesting?
Yeah.
It's like 추천하다.
Oh.
Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it
Okay.
now.
So last time we thought the making muffin part was so fun, so we want to do more. So today we are going to be making a mini cake with these yummy bricks.
Yummy.
Okay. So the ingredients are the mini bread for the mini cake,
And a strawberry.
butter knife,
And a sprinkle.
sprinkles. We have different ones from our house, of course.
Yeah.
And then we are going to be making a whipped cream out of this milk. And of course this thing. You remember last time? I like the sound of this. And of course the sugar powder. We have this
Yeah.
almost every time.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all the ingredients and materials. I have important news! Okay, so the important news is... Stop laughing. So the important news is that you have 2 ways of making a cake, a mini cake. So you can make a tree out of this because it's Christmas. We can make a Christmas tree, or you can just decorate it. So this is actually optional. Like you can cut it like this, and then like you can make a tree, or you can just cut it in half like this, horizontally, not vertically. Okay. Okay, just remember that. And then like when you're cutting this, you should get help from an adult because you really need to be careful. This can really rip very easily.
Yeah. So we need to be very.
So make sure you get help from an adult or your parents.
Yeah.
So you know when we just cut it and keep it like this, it's boring. So what we're going to do is we're going to put syrup on here. So we made this syrup, and you can just mix honey and water or sugar and water to make it, okay? So we're going to put it on the sliced places.
Okay, so we need to just.
Be careful.
Oh, now I
How
got
should
it.
I?
Okay, can I do it now?
Okay, you can do it first. Slowly.
You know that I'm bad at cooking, you know.
Nah, I don't think so. Last time you did good.
Because you say you're bad at cooking to me.
I'm just kidding.
I think you need to say lying.
No.
Not kidding.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Oops, I think I did too much.
Are you done?
Almost. I hope I'm done soon.
Yeah.
Okay, we put the syrup on here, and guess what? It's so boring. So, what are we going to do?
What?
Just
What?
say. Okay. So we're going to make whipped cream out of this milk, and with this too, and mix it with the strawberry, and we're going to put it on here, and that will be better. Okay. Okay, everyone, we're finished with the whipped cream, and now we have to mix it with the strawberry.
Yeah, let's do it.
Mix it.
Wait, be careful.
Who cares?
No.
Just mix it. Whatever you do, just don't spill it.
You almost spill it, you know.
No, I
Okay,
didn't.
now let's put this in here.
On here.
Oh, not on.
You can't go inside the bread, you know.
Oh.
This.
Hey, you can do it this one, like butter.
Oh yeah. Okay. Let me just put it on.
You know.
I'll just try my best.
Just try your best, and I need to spread. Hey, I'm bad at this, like spreading it, you know.
Oh, and also when you put the other top one on, or the other floor on, I'll just call it like that. You need to put more syrup on it.
Okay.
Just put it on.
But I have only 2 floors.
It's okay.
Then you're making a Christmas tree, but I'm just designing.
No, you're decorating.
Oh, decorating. Now I'm. When you do that?
Oh, this is going to.
Hey, do you know that I'm finished? I'm finished.
I think. Oh, wait, can I just focus?
Yeah. Now we're gonna put this in cream.
Whipped cream.
Yeah, whipped cream on the bread.
Yeah, on the cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start.
And same cream is Korean.
I forgot. I always forgot. Like English.
I forgot it too. Like sometimes what was it? I think like that. Okay, so we put the whipped cream on the cake, and my sister-in-law is already decorating. But because I'm making a Christmas tree, I need green. So with the rest of the whipped cream, we're going to mix the color green and put it on here. Okay, so we make the whipped cream like almost green. It's not exactly green, but it's greenish. So I'm going to put this on the cake. So I'll try.
Hey, 꼼지.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. I'm making this.
Oh, nice. Hey, check this out. So I tried really hard to make the shape, to make it look like a real tree. I actually like it a lot.
I'm gonna make like this.
And Locke is adding some of the leftover,
The ice, like ice.
yeah, leftover whipped cream, and she's like adding it to her cake. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decorate. Finally. Okay, so first I'll try adding some of these pearl sprinkles.
That is a cool sprinkle. I didn't know that.
One here, one here.
Hey, aren't you going to do the strawberry?
No, it's okay. Now we need to do the grand finish. I'm going to put this star on the cake.
Dun, 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 dun,
How
dun,
should I
dun,
put
dun,
it?
dun, 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 dun. More.
Hey! Okay, we are done with the cake. Okay, so I say this again. We are done with this cake. So we made this strawberry cake and this Christmas tree cake. And I guess we have to end here today. We hope you had a lot of fun. And bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.